the topic verification of fraction. Verification means you need to prove left hand side must be equal to right hand side. So it's mean your answer must be proved by left hand side and the right hand side. First of all, we have to take the left hand side, and the left hand side is 5/7. Put the equality sign, then you need to write. This is your fractional value, numerator and denominator. How to see, how to cross, how to divide? First of all, see numerator and denominator. Can I cross with the same number? Can I divide with the same number? No. Can I cross with the same number? No. First of all, check up and down, then crossing. 7 and 6. Can I cross with the same number? No. 5 and 11? No. When nothing is possible in cutting, so we have to multiply. Numerator with numerator, 5 6 times 30. Fraction line. Always put the fraction line in front of equality sign. This is the rule. And 7 multiplied by 11, 77. Multiplication of the numerator and multiplication of the denominator is possible. Cutting is not. Cutting is always possible up and down and crossing. Now see, can I cross with the same number? No. So this is your first equation. Now take your right hand side. Now we have the right hand side is 6/11 multiplied by 5/7. Same condition, 6/11 not divided by with the same number. 5 or 7 no, 7 and 6 no, 11 and 5. Cutting is not possible. Just multiply the numerator. 5 6 times 30 and 7 11 times 77. Now see, first and second equation. It's mean both are same. Thus mean proved. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. Our answer is proved. 30/77 equals to 30/77. Draw the ending line. So these are the steps for solving the question. Now I am taking another question. And the next question is 4 1/5 multiplied by 2 4/5. Now this time we have the mixed form. And mixed form is the combination of whole number and the fractional value. This is called mixed form. Mixed form is the combination of whole value and the fractional value. First of all, we need to convert it. How to convert it? Always multiply the denominator with the numerator, with the whole number. Denominator with the whole number. 4 5 times 20. And add the numerator. 1, 21. But the denominator will always be same. So 5 4 times 20, 20 plus 1, sorry, 20 plus 1, 21 divided by 5. Multiply. Sorry, first of all we have to take left hand side. Left hand side is equals 4 1/5 multiply 2 4/5. Now we have to solve. 5 4 times 20, 20 plus 1, 21/5. Then 5 2 times 10. Always multiply the denominator with the whole number, then add. 5 2 times 10, 10 plus 4 14. But denominator always be same. It will not change. Now see, cutting is possible. 21 and 5, can I cross with the same number? 14 and 5 no. 5 and 21 no. 5 and 14 no. When the cutting is not possible, just multiply the numerators to numerators. 294 and 520. 5 times 5 is 25. Can I cross 294 and 25 with the same number? Can I cross? No. So equation 1. Now take your right hand side, and the right hand side is 2 4/5 multiplied by 4 1/5. We need to convert into improper fraction. This is improper fraction. We cannot give 21 out of 5. This is total number and this is the given part. So we cannot give 21 from 5. So this is improper fraction. 5 2 times 10, 10 plus 4 14/5. Multiply 5 4 times 20, 21/5. No cutting is possible, up and down, crossing no. So just multiply the numerators and then the denominator. Equation 2. See, values are same. Thus, left hand side is equals to right hand side. These are the proper steps. 294/25 equals to 294/25. Draw the ending line. So these are the steps for solving the question. Now I am taking another question. And the next question is also related to mixed form. 1/11 multiply 2 3/4 equals 2 3 over 4 multiplied by 1 1 over 11. So first of all we have to take the left hand side. Left hand side is 1 1 over 11 multiplied 2 3 over 4. Solve it. 11 one time, 11 plus 1, 12 over 11 multiply 4 2 times 8, 9 10 11, 11 over 4. Now see, crossing is possible. 11 and 12 up and down, no. 11 and 4 up and down, no. 4 and 12, yes. 4 1 time 4, 4 3 times 12. I can cross with the 2 also, 2 6 times 12. But 2 steps, 2 3 times 6. So we have to cross with the bigger number. So 4 1 time 4, 4 3 times 12. 11 1 time 11, 11 1 time 11. So what is the answer? 3 1 time 3 and 1 time 1 is 1. When we divide any number with 1, answer is same. So 3 1 time 3. Now take the, this is your equation 1. Now take the right hand side, and the right hand side is 2 3 over 4 multiplied by 1 1 over 11. 4 2 times 8, 9 10 11. 11 over 4 multiply 11 1 time 11 and 12 over 11. Same step. 11 1 time 11, 4 1 time 4, 4 3 times 12. So 3 1 time 3 and 1 time 1 is 1. 3 divided by 1, always answer is 3. So this is equation 2. 3 and 3. Thus left hand side is equals to right hand side. If answer is not same, it means your question is wrong. So these are the steps for solving the question. Thank you.